guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make our name in Samsung A53 5G lock screen. But before you continue this video, as always, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support the channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well guys, here I'm gonna go to the settings. Here I'm gonna open my settings. And now in the settings page, you just have to scroll it down until you find here lock screen option. After that, tap on this contact information. Actually, here the information show information such as your email or your phone number on the lock screen, so you can be contacted if you lose your phone. But you can also make it as your name. So here I'm gonna type my name. And after that, I'm gonna tap on the done button right here. And now I'm gonna turn off my screen first. And as you can see, here's my name. So yeah, just it. I think it's enough guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck!